Hello, YouTube. Okay, we are basically playing Drive right now or crap like that. I'm just playing it for crap like that for no reason. So yeah. Okay, intro. You don't have to be so mean. Anyways, so basically, guys, now I got sound effects. So yeah. Anyways, if I want to fart right now, I could do that. And if I want to be shocked, I can do that. If I want to be knocked out, I could be all like, and then if I'm sad, like, I could be all like, oh my god, cheater. You cheating. Okay. Oh my god, cheater. A starfish? Anyways, I guess I failed. Well, now I'll give myself a big... Well, that was easy. And everyone else gets it. It's easy, man. Okay, now that's a nice drawing. That is some really good. That's really easy. That was really easy, man. I was the second to guess it, man. It was so easy. It was so easy. Okay, it is Platinum Kierden. Okay, let's give him a big clap, guys! Okay, let's see what you got, man. How? I know it. Well, there was a big good one. That was an easy one. I will give myself a big bam. So, now, oh guys, I really gotta fart. There, that's better. That's better. Yeah. That was easy. It's the tree, man. So basically, guys, now we have a malfunction. Okay. Hi. I just typed hi. Let it grow. Yeah. Pac-Man. Snowman. I know it. That was easy. Snowman. Snowman. Oh, heck no! Y'all freaking say this person is cheating? They ain't cheating. They just telling you what it is. They being nice. They're like the homie, man. They're like the homie. They're like that homie that you got, that you always like rely on. They freaking, oh of course. No, this is so freaking easy. Please be my turn. Ninja. Boy. Stare. Tree. Arrow. What is this music?
Got a clue what you're doing. You can play brand new to all the other chicks.
No, that music just sucks, man. I don't like it. So, anyways, let's give me a big. Hey, don't be rude. Okay, let's give me my actual answer, people. Yeah. See, even one person said it was they made it them deaf. Here, let me listen to that ball. Okay, that music sucks.
You got me going. You're oh so charming.
Skate. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a line surface. Okay, now some of these. Then there is, it's a piano, for gosh sake. Okay. P and no. Piano! It's a piano! Bruh, it was piano. It was piano! Bruh, I was trying to be nice. Okay, they look like the community. I ain't gonna be happy. I'm thirsty, guys. No, seriously, I'm really thirsty. Okay, I'm pretty sure I forgot what you call it. It's called a bolt. Okay, it is called a light. Yay. Can I get a handshake? Or that. Okay, this kid is cheating. I am. Bruh, that is. Vote. I vote he's a cheater. Tree. Bruh. Little. Of course I agree. He went twice. That's why. And he looks like the community, for gosh sake. It's a computer. It's a computery guy. Bro, that was so easy. We were winning way too much, man. Be right back, guys. Okay, guys, I am back. That was just one round. We basically finished that round. What? It's a tree. It's a tree, guys.